Software is a set of instructions or programs that tell a computer what to do. It's the non-tangible part of a computer's functionality. This includes applications, operating systems, and utility programs that perform various tasks. Software allows users to interact with the hardware and perform a wide range of tasks on a computer. Networking refers to the practice of connecting computers and other devices to share information and resources. It involves hardware and software protocols that enable communication between devices. Networking enables access to the Internet, local area networks, and wide area networks, facilitating data exchange, remote access, and collaborative work. It's a crucial part of modern computing, allowing computers to communicate with each other and the outside world. In summary, software encompasses the programs and instructions that run on a computer, while networking involves the connections and protocols that enable computers to communicate and share information with each other over various types of networks.